yesterday.
Yeah, that's big. Yeah.
Do you know what we are doing? What are we cooking?
No. I have the potatoes.
We all do because it's healthy.
Mommy, do you have two potatoes?
Right
I'll put some pepper in it. Mommy, you don't put your hand, okay? Be careful.
Thank you. So cute. So I'm not clean my hands. And don't shake me, okay?
Okay.
Thank you.
This is so beautiful.
Let me just put this straight down.
And that's it.
You don't want to.
This one open it.
Thank you, baby. You're the best.
But that's too much. Mommy, that's too much. That's what Mommy said.
Thank you.
But Mommy, I gave so much.
I don't want water again, please. Thank you.
What's that?
Thank you, Papa.
Last time when Mommy, can I do this much? Can you do this much?
Thank you.
I can't do that much. No. I have another song. I have a song. It's a learning song, and it's job coding. Mommy, did you watch that? Mommy, did you ever watch that when you were a kid?
No, I did not.
What? Mommy, did you ever jump on that chair?
No.
Mom, did you watch Number Box when you were a kid?
No.
Wow, look at the box first. That's so cool. Mommy, did you watch Number Box when you were in kindergarten at school? Did you ever went to school when you were a kid?
Yeah, when in Cameroon, we don't know. We didn't. At my time, I didn't know what number blocks was.
Which stuff?
I don't think there was any number blocks at that time either.
But everyone has movies. So cool. Did you have a teacher? Did you have a teacher? Because Mommy had this.
No, I didn't have a teacher. I fell from the tree.
What did you get? You fall for what?
From the tree.
The tree?
Mm-hmm.
How?
You're asking me that did I have a teacher? If I didn't have a teacher, then how did I learn things?
You do learn things with a teacher.
Ah.
That makes no sense when you don't have a teacher.
Oh. I mean, I don't beg you.
Mommy, but it doesn't make any sense.
It will never make sense when I do that.
Oh, Cameroon don't have a teacher, right?
What do you mean by Cameroon don't have a teacher? Cameroon has the best teachers, one of the best teachers in the world.
But where were you?
God.
But Mommy, where were you when you were a kid?
Cameroon.
Oh, Cameroon.
Mm-hmm.
Do you have a teacher at the Cameroon?
Mama will get teacher. We'll get all people. Hey. was he?
I don't know what, but I don't know his name. It's not my class. In my class, only inside my class.
What's his name?
Aye.
Oh my God. And what did you say? Did you tell the teacher? Sometimes, anytime anybody calls you silly, you tell the person that don't try that nonsense with me.
I didn't say anything.
Yeah, next time you have to say, stand up for yourself. Say, never you call me silly again. I'm not silly. Thank you, then you walk away. And you tell your teacher. But before you do that, you make sure you tell your teacher, okay?
Okay. I want to tell him.
Yeah, please do.
I want. Mommy, in school, Mommy, do you know someone started?
Someone shouted? Where?
In class.
In your class? Oh my God, what happened?
I didn't close my ears. She wasn't loud.
Was the person loud?
Yes.
What is it, he or she?
He, boy and a girl. Boy and a girl started.
Oh my God. At the teacher or they were shouting at each other?
Yes, they was hurting each other.
Oh my God. Never do that, okay?
Okay.
Please.
Ew.
And what did your teacher do?
Nothing.
The teacher didn't do anything? Kids were shouting, your teacher didn't do anything?
But so when they shout, the teacher has to say that no shouting, be quiet.
Yeah.
But why they don't do that?
I don't know.
A teacher said here. I didn't close my ears, Mommy.
You closed your ears or you did not?
I did it.
You didn't? And what were they shouting about?
I was starting to find them.
Oh my God. And what were they shouting though?
Don't because they keep us starting. Now I go find them.
No, don't fight them. Just let them be, okay?
Why?
Because it's none of your business. Remember?
You know that is my goo.
Yeah, it's your school, Papa. I know.
It's mine.
Yeah.
I don't want to go. I want to go in my group. My old school. I don't know why. What's my school in Cameroon?
Skyra, can you leave me and my Cameroon issue alone? I don't suffer for your hand, my sister.
Mommy.
My love.
Do you know someone was walking off a chair?
Someone walked off the chair. Why?
Because I didn't walk off the carpet. Now, can you eat them now, Mommy, now?
I'm just going to put it in the oven for
Mommy, I want
5 minutes.
eat. It's not long. Why you say that? She just
5 minutes, I'll take it out.
You can just ask if you want, though. I want it goes in forever. It won't.
It won't.
Mom said it will be.
It's going to take just 5 minutes.
It will.
I'm going to put it in the oven now for 5 minutes, guys. Then I'll take it out and show you guys how it looks like.
Hey guys, this is the end result. This is how it looks like.
I'm just going to take it out myself, guys. This is the... Oh, really? End result, guys.
So guys, my mom made something for me.
Yes, Papa.
It looks like mac and cheese. No, it's magic, not mac and cheese. So guys, my mom made magic. Mine said it was magic, so don't worry, it's not mac and cheese. Yes.
Okay, everybody, no, don't put your hand there, please.
Don't put your hand there. I don't to go a little bit.
Don't touch it. Thank you.
Thank you, Mommy. I love you. Thank you, Mommy. Thank you, Mommy. You're the best mom ever. I love you so much. Thank you, Mommy. Uncle Mommy. Uncle Mommy, for every day, no one can even see you in this whole world, and no one can ever be happy. I love you. Mommy.
I love you too, Papa.
But someone can see everybody in the whole world. The only thing is God. Shane, what do you mean no one can see, Mommy? The magic. So many people can see. Yeah, a lot of people can see Mommy. Who? like God, Jesus. Cool. Is it only God can see me?
God is the best person on the earth.
Who?
But the problem is, I never saw him in my life.
Yeah, the problem is I never saw him in my life too. Is the devil bad or good?
Bad! Oh my God!
When you say God is bad, he's good.
He's asking about the devil. That is the devil bad or good?
It's bad.
It's bad.
He's so mean.
He
I don't
could.
wanna go to the devil. I love God so much.
Me too. He looks so lovely
my
and
savior.
so cute. I know the devil. Wait, should we kick him out?
Kick the devil out of here.
Like we have a sword, we kick him out.
I'm gonna kick
Because
the
we
devil.
don't like the devil. And the devil's birthday, I don't like the devil's birthday. I don't like the devil's anything. Jesus, I like Jesus. Jesus' birthday is on Christmas.
And that's when it also might be my birthday.
I like God's birthday. No one likes the devil's birthday.
Jesus' birthday is on the 25 of December. My birthday is on
Wait.
December 30.
Wait, my birthday is already passed. Mom, can I have that
I'm 5 years old.
I want that one. I want that one. Oh wait, did God see me? Did he invite? Mom, I want to have that.
Huh?
Wait, but did he see me and he invited?
Yeah, God is always invited to parties.
But God's not invited to the devil's birthday.
No, never.
Never, because he's mean to God. He's mean.
Yes, the devil is so mean.
Yeah, he could never ever do the things wrong.
He does the things wrong. He said he could never do the things wrong.
He does some things very wrong.
And he lies every time you ask him a question.
Yeah. And no one would talk to him. And no one would do anything. And we like God. Wow. Hi, baby.
She was a fairy.
Baby. Here, baby.
Good
Mommy. Thank you, Mommy. I love you. I want that one.
That one is so big.
That's Daddy's. Daddy always got space.
Bing, bing, boom, bam, bing. Bing, bing,
Moshi or Daddy. Moshi or Can we say it? Say it. No, I'm saying it. She made it for us. I'm saying it. And no, I'm saying it first. She made it for us. No, I'm saying it. Mom and Dad. And it looks so good. And yeah, it's called Magic. And it looks so yummy. Don't forget to like and follow.
And guys, my mom is also serving it with some avocado and it's cheesy too.
I will say it first.
You want to say it first, Papa? You can say it. All right, go ahead, Shane. We are tasting it.
So guys,
You
my mom made food for us.
Okay. Guys, my 3 years old is saying something. I want everyone to listen.
And we're going to win.
Can you talk now, please, Shane? We're listening.
If anyone wants to talk.
Shane, talk. He says you want to talk.
It's good. Okay, I just give you a big piss. And
So you guys, this is what it looks like.
I'm
The
gonna
mom
piss
is serving
you.
some cheesy something with some bread and some avocado. And yeah, guys, it looks so delicious, guys. You guys have a really nice follow. And yeah, guys. Mwah.
You get the piss.
Peace.
Piss.
We're not done. Peace.
Piss. You are done piss.
So, guys, this is the end result.
So guys, my mom made something.
So this one is for Skyra, for Susie Chanel, for Shani,
Daddy's
and
gonna
for
be
Daddy.
up for me, not for you. Get.
You will be trying this?
Yeah.
Time to eat.